بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة وطالبات شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضيات لغات، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اليوم سنتناول درس جديد في علم Calculus Differentiation، وهو علم التفاضل والتكامل. Differentiation and Integral very important subject. طبعا درس مهم جدا جدا اللي هو بعنوان Implicit Function. What is the meaning of implicit function? Implicit function, it is a function with the relation between y and x. My dear student, look at the first definition. What is the meaning of implicit differentiation? Derivative of y with respect to x, its mean dy over dx. As example, derivative of y square with respect to x. With respect to x. D over dx y square. Remember, we want derivative of y square with respect to another variable x. D over dx y square equals what? Equals 2y dy over dx. Before that, we know derivative x square equals 2x. But in this case, derivative or differentiation of y square respect to x, what you mean? D over dx, y for all power 2, equals 2y, but multiply dy over dx. What is the derivative of y power 3 respect to x? By the same method, d over dx y power 3, then d over dx y for all power 3. What is the answer? Excellent student, 3 y square. It's enough? Not enough. dy over dx. Then we deduce, if we want derivative or differentiation of y respect to x, we must find differentiation but multiply dy over dx. The derivative xy respect to x. Differentiation x multiply y respect to x. In this case, we have two functions, x multiply y. What is the derivative of product of two functions? Yes. Someone say first derivative second plus second times derivative first. We have two functions, x, y. Derivative of x is 1 multiply y plus derivative of y dy over dx multiply x. In this case, my dear student, look at derivative of x 1 multiply dy over dx or y dash. dy plus derivative of y dy over dx multiply x. Then y plus x dy over dx. Differentiation or derivative x square y with respect to x. At the first, look at derivative of x square 2x multiply y plus derivative second dy over dx multiply x square. Then the answer is 2xy plus x square dy over dx. Now we are translate two important example. If we have y equals f of 10 to x and f dash of 1 What is the meaning of f dash of 1? The first derivative of the function when x equals 1 is 5. What is the required? dy over dx at x equals pi over 8. Remember, my dear student, dy over dx in this case, we have function of tan double x. We know that when find the derivative of tan equals 6 square, tan 2x 6 square double x multiply derivative of 2x is 2. After that, we can substitution about x equals pi over 8. After that, find the first derivative when tan 2x is 1. Look at the solution. By derivative both sides, respect to x, we know dy over dx 2 6 square double x multiply derivative of tan double x. We know that the differentiation of tan equals 6 square double x multiply 2. Multiply f dash of tan 2x. By putting x equal pi over 2, then by substitution, 2 times x, 2 times pi over 2, pi over 4, or equals 45. F dash multiply f dash tan pi over 4. We know that tan pi over 4 equals what? Excellent student. Tan 45. What is the tan 45? Is 1. Then we know dy over dx equals 2 multiply 1 over cosine 45 power 2 multiply f dash of 1. Answer is 20. Then the answer is number D is 20. Remember, my dear student, this case or this example, y function of tan double x. In this case, we find dy or differentiation y respect to x. Find derivative of the function f dash tan. What is the f dash of tan double x? 6 square double x multiply 2. After that, we putting x is pi over 8. The final answer is 20. Number D. Now we are translate to another example. If we have function x power 3 minus 1 equals 12x squared. What is f dash of 7? Multi-choice. 1, 3, 4, 7. Look at the solution. If we have f function of x power 3 minus 1 equals 12x squared. In this case, the required f dash of 7. Find the first derivative when x power 3 minus 1 equals 7. In this case, x3 equals 8. Then x equals cubic root 8 is 2. By differentiation, both sides respect to x, the first derivative equals 3x squared multiply f dash x power 3 minus 1 equals 24x. Left hand side in this example, f of x power 3 minus 1. What is this derivative? F dash x power 3 minus 1 multiply differentiation of the bracket inside. X power 3 minus 1. What is the differentiation? 3x squared. this left hand side. Right hand side 12x squared. What is the derivative? 24x. Then by putting x equal 2, therefore 3 times 2 power 2, f dash of 7 equals 24 times 2. Don't forget, what is the required? F dash of 7. Then f dash of 7 equals 24 times 2 divided by 3 times 2 power 2, or divided 12. Then answer is f dash 7 is 4 by divided 48 divided 12, then f dash 7 equals 4. Then choose the correct answer. Number C, letter C is 4. Now we are translate to another example. Function f of square root 2x plus 1 equals x power 3 plus 1. What is the first derivative? F dash 3 by the same method. If we have f dash of root, or the first derivative of root, we know that in square root, the first derivative 1 over twice or double square root multiply derivative of inside root. Look at square root 2x plus 1. What is the derivative? 1 over square root 2x plus 1 multiply in numerator 2. What is the derivative of x power 3? 3x squared. By putting 2x plus 1 equals 3. Then 2x equals 2. Then x equals 1. We find after that, or by putting x equals 1. Look at the first f of square root 2x plus 1 equal x power 3 plus 1. Then square root 2x plus 1 equals 3. What is the root? Which equals 3? Square root 9. Therefore, 2x plus 1 equals 9. In this case, 2x equals 8. By divided by 2, x equals 4. In this case, after differentiation both sides with respect to x, we put x equal 4. Look at the first or left hand side. What is the derivative? F dash of 2x plus 1 multiply derivative of square root 1 over 2 root multiply in numerator 2 equals the right hand side 3x squared by putting x equals 4. And left hand side 1 over 2 multiply 4 plus 1 under square root 2 over square root 9, 2 over 2 equals 1 over 3 multiply by putting f dash of 2x plus 1 under square root f dash of 3 equals 3x squared by putting x equal 4, 4 power 2, 36 times 3, 48. Then answer is third f dash of 3 equal 48, f dash 3, 48 times 3 equals 144. Choose the correct answer, letter B, 144. Now we are translate to another example. If y equals square root f of x, y equals square root f of x, and f dash of 3 equals 36. F of 3 equals 9. Then at x equals 3, what is the dy over dx? Choose the correct answer. Number A, 6. Number B, 18. Number C, 36. Number D, 72. Look at the solution. Before we choose the correct answer, look at if y equals square root f of x, f dash of 3, 36 is given, and f of 3 equal 9. Look at left hand side dy over dx. What is the derivative of square root? 1 over 2 root? 1 over 2 root multiply f dash of x. This rule of differentiation of a square root. Any square root, what is the differentiation? 1 over 2 square root multiply in numerator the differentiation of under square root. In this case, dy over dx equals f dash x over 2 square root f of x by putting x equals 3. Why? Because f of 3 equal 9, then at x equals 3, dy over dx f dash 3. From given, f dash of 3 equal what? 36 over 2 square root f of 3. f of 3 equals what? From given 9. Then f dash 3 equals 36 over 2 multiply f of 3, 9. 36 up. 2 times 9, 2 times square root 9 or 2 times 3. Then 36 over 6. Answer is 6. Therefore, the correct answer, letter A. Now we are translate to another example. F of x power 3 equals bracket contains 2 plus L multiply x square, where L belongs to R. What is R? Real numbers, positive, negative, rational. Rational or irrational? Because rational, irrational belongs to R, subset from R. L belongs to R. And f dash of 1 equals negative 4. What is the value of L? Is 4 or negative 4 or 8 or negative 8. My dear student, from given, look at the differentiation both sides respect to x. F dash x power 3 left hand side multiply derivative x power 3 3x square equals right hand side 2 multiply 2 plus L multiply x. Remember, L is a number. By 3 multiply f dash of 1 equals 2 multiply 2 plus L multiply x equals 1. Why? Because by putting x equals 1 to find value of f dash 1, then 3 multiply negative 4 from the given equals 2 multiply 2 plus L. Therefore, left hand side negative 12. Right hand side equal 2 multiply 2 plus L. Divided by 2, 2 plus L equals negative 6. Then L equal negative 6 minus 2 equals negative 8. The correct answer, letter D, negative 8. This example is very important example. Why? Because in this case, from given f of x power 3 equals bracket contains 2 plus L multiply x square. And by hint L belongs to R, and from given f dash of 1 equal negative 4. What is the value of L? In this case, L equal negative 8. Someone say, if we substitution about L negative 8, the right hand side equals negative 6x square. After that, f of x power 3, don't forget, equal f dash x power 3 multiply 3x square. By putting x equals 1, then we find L equals -8. Now we are translate to another example. From given f of x power 3 plus 1 equal x power 3 plus 3x minus 1. Then what is f dash of 2, or the first derivative when x power 3 plus 1 equals 2. When x power 3 plus 1 equals 2, x power 3 equals 1, x equal 1. In this case, we find the differentiation of left-hand side and right-hand side. Differentiation of left-hand side equal f dash of x power 3 plus 1 multiply 3x square. But differentiation of right-hand side 3x square plus 3 only. After that, by putting x equals what? X equals 1. Why? Because x power 3 plus 1 equals 2. X power 3 equals 1. X cubic root 1 is 1. Look at solution. In this case, x power 3 plus 1 equals 2. X power 3 equals 1. Then x equals 1. By putting x equal 1, after differentiation both sides, respect to x. The left-hand side, f dash x power 3 plus 1 multiply what? X and sudden 3x square equals the derivative of right-hand side 3x square plus 3. By putting x equals 1, 3 multiply 1 power 2, f of 2 equals 3 multiply 1 square plus 3. Then 3 f dash 2 equals 6. What is the f dash of 2? Equals 6 divided 3. Answer is 2. The correct answer, letter B. Now we are translate to another example. F of x squared equals x power 3 and x more than 0. Then f dash of 16 equals what? 24, 28, 12, or 6. Look at, when x squared equals 4, x must be positive or negative 4. But in this case, we are taking x equals 4 only. Why? Because from given the condition x more than 0, we choose the positive number, x equal 4. By differentiation, both sides, left-hand side and right-hand side, f dash x squared multiply to x equals right-hand side 3x squared by putting x equals 4. 2 multiply 4 f dash 4 power 2 equals 3 multiply 4 power 2. Then 8 f dash 16 equal 48. 3 times 16. 8 f dash 16 equals 48. In this case, f dash of 16 equals 48 divided 8 equals 6. Then correct answer, letter D. Now we are translate to another example. If we have f of x equal f of sec x, remember, what is the sec? Yes, is multiplicative inverse of cosine. My dear student, we know that from the previous differentiation, if we have y equal sec x, what is y dash, or differentiation of sec x? Differentiation of sec equals sec tan, but differentiation of cosec, negative cosec, cotan. Don't forget, my dear student, sec is multiplicative inverse of cosine, but multiplicative inverse of sine, cosec. Then if we have sec x, function sec x, what is the differentiation? Sec x, tan x. Look at the solution of this example. We have function f of sec x. What is the derivative? F dash sec multiply sec tan. What is the given? F dash 2 equals 5. In this case, when sec x equals 2, what is the x? What is the required? F dash pi over 3. F dash of pi over 3, pi over 3 equals 60 degree. Choose the correct answer: 10 root 3, 5 root 3, 20 root 3, 3 root 3. Before we choose the correct answer, remember f dash of x sec tan multiply f dash sec x by putting x equal pi over 3. Pi over 3 means 60 degrees. Then f dash pi over 3, sec 60, tan 60, f dash sec 60. By using calculator, we find, or by manual, sec 60 equal 1 over cosine 60, 1 cosine 60 equal 1 over 2. 1 over 1 over 2 equals 2. Multiply tan 60 equals root 3. Multiply f dash of 2. By substitution, answer is 10 root 3. Then we deduce that the correct answer, 5 times 2 times root 3 equals 10 root 3. My dear student, by the end of this lesson, we know that if we have function is derivative by y, or find dy over dx, or first derivative y respect to x. If we have function, this function is relationship with x. As a first, we find f dash of the function and multiply derivative of bracket inside x. My dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Thank you. Goodbye.